I want to say thank you to Joseph for bringing this to you. I really enjoyed the session. I was able to connect with people. I think I had a mind shift. In fact, I know I had a mind shift because this was really amazing.
Hi everyone, I'm Victoria Do, and I'm right here for the Uyo Business Executive meeting with Joseph Etim. So basically, I just want to go straight to the point to say that one thing I have taken home today is personal branding and how to become an authority in any field you find yourself. And trust me, you guys are not even ready for the next edition. So it's not free. And I would say this is like the very first time I am paying for a business summit. And it was worth my money, it was worth my time.
I can tell you for a fact it was worth it. I'm someone that I love paying for value, and I got value. I was surprised. It was amazing, value-packed. My mind has shifted. I hope we have more of this in the city of Uyo.
So it's really interesting. I learned a lot about personal development. I learned a lot about business strategies and all of that. I love it.
My God, it was mind-blowing. My expectations were met. I learned a lot of things.
I now know where I was and how I'm going to get to where I want to get to. And it's something I would want to show up every day for, if it's possible. But I know that with this knowledge I have received today, I can do whatever thing I want to do. And now I know better and how to do it. And I have the right community and the right network and every day to keep encouraging me to push forward. Thank you so much. It was a really nice time.
Thank God, I'm so happy for Uyo Executive meeting. I almost missed it. If I wasn't there, I wouldn't have known what I missed. I've learned a lot.
The session was mind-blowing, many specific things that he touched that made a lot of sense to me. There are things you hear, but when you hear it again, it blows up your mind.
My name is Veronica Eko and I'm a YouTuber. I have a YouTube channel, Foods by Lexby, and I'm so glad that I attended this business meeting with Joseph Etim. With what I've seen in this meeting, there will be lots of improvements with my YouTube channel, with me positioning myself on social media and building my own personal brand.
I'm a childcare provider at Appleberry Kinder Care here in the city of Uyo. And today in the business executive meeting with Mr. Joseph Etim, it was quite an informative time for me. It got me deeply thinking about my role as an adult in early childhood education, and I can't wait to share this knowledge with my children. Thank you.
I'm grateful. Thank you, Joseph Etim, for hosting this.
Thank you so much.
This kind of program should keep happening right here in Uyo. I love it.
I think we should do this some other time. I enjoyed myself. We should do more of this here in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo.
Thank you, Joseph Etim. Peace.